Life is all about journeys, whether traveling from one location to another or embarking on a different career path after spending more than 8 years in the civil aviation industry. I've always believed that it is more important to stay honest to yourself than to please others. Hello guys, my name is Mahendra Singh Thulung, or Rudy as my friends like to call me. My journey started as a cabin crew for Jet Airways, and while serving 3 to 4 course meals to the passenger, I was drawn towards the cooking and the presentations of those dishes. This inspired me to make the switch from civil aviation to becoming a self-taught chef. I started with the Cloud Kitchen and even got a chance to showcase my skills on MasterChef India 2019. After COVID, I decided to embark on a new journey and opened my own restaurant. And my MG Astor turned out to be the perfect partner. Be it the blind spot detection feature to get me out safely of tight spots, or the amazing music system to wind me down after a long day of work, my Astor is a masterpiece in itself. And the exhilarating power it offers makes every drive more thrilling and power-packed. I take my Astor along wherever I'm going now, because even on long drives, the comfortable interiors and the handling means that I barely get tired. So the next time you are in Bangalore and crave for some good food, feel free to walk in. Me and my Astor would be waiting.